Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Education. Today we are going to take adjectives and this is part 2. So here is another list of adjectives to describe a person or to describe someone. Let's start. First adjective is ambitious, ambitious. Artistic, artistic. Attractive, attractive. Calm, calm. Careful, careful. Charming, charming. Comfortable, comfortable. Not comfortable, it is comfortable. Confident, confident. Clever, clever. Direct, direct. Fair, fair. Funny, funny. Generous, generous. Gentle, gentle. Helpful, helpful. Honest, honest. The H is silent. Honest. Logical, logical. Loyal, loyal. Optimistic, optimistic. And finally, passionate, passionate. That's it for today. Thank you.